I attract massive growth and visibility every day. My content goes viral effortlessly and organically. I'm fully aligned with consistent online income, and every funnel I launch brings valuable leads and loyal fans. Promoting digital products feels natural and authentic. I do it with integrity and ease. My lead magnets resonate deeply, inspiring my audience and serving their needs. I trust the systems I've built with the Viral Valet Bundle to work for me. I stay focused, creative, and consistent on my online journey, growing my email list with engaged subscribers who are excited to connect. Abundance flows to me as I take bold, inspired action. Each day, I become more visible, magnetic, and profitable. I create value that is seen, shared, and celebrated. Every piece of content I share builds trust and connection. I'm open to going viral in ways that serve my highest good, and I take pride in the systems and strategies I've invested in. I share my offers confidently, attracting my ideal customers. I'm growing faster than ever, and it feels aligned and exhilarating. Using the Viral Valet tools wisely, I create real, lasting impact. I am a magnet for opportunities, shares, and support. Success is not just a dream, it's my daily reality.